Hi, this is the Forest Daughter Creole, and I thought I'd just do a real quick video to show you what I'm in the mix of making. I'm making journals for dreams. They're going to be one signature journals, and I wanted to just show you how easy this is so you can get started with some of these great ideas. The really beautiful artwork, digital artwork that I'm using for these is called Under a Starry Sky by LikeInkDrops. Under a Starry Sky, LikeInkDrops. So what I have done to make the covers is I actually went to a thrift shop and got lots of different colored file folders and hanging file folders. I cut them to fit and then rounded the corners. And I'm learning to use this wonderful crocodile corner rounder. It's a little tricky, but I'm getting there. I picked the covers and the file folders to work well together, and then I actually used a polyurethane matte varnish to cover the photo part, because when you use dark inks, and these were printed on cardstock, they sometimes wear white if you handle them a lot. And I didn't want that to happen on a cover, so these have been coated. Then I glue another set of really beautiful digitals on the inside, because these aren't going to be huge, but I want them to be packed full of beautiful images. These are called Night Meadow by TheEphemeralFox, and they're on Etsy. So I just rounded the corners of these and glued them inside. So that's the cover. These cute little labels, this says My Forest. I just backed on some contrasting paper and glued down. These little labels come with the Starry Sky kit. Here's another example of the Starry Sky, say that fast, Starry Sky kit. I actually put this on a thin piece of colored scrapbooking paper to form a frame. I chose Wild Song and put it on some contrasting yet similar paper here. Rounded the corners. So I just cut the folders down. I lined up my biggest sheet of paper that I was going to put in the folders along the edge here, leaving a little margin at the top, a little margin at the side, a little margin at the bottom, marked where I wanted it, and just cut out through both layers, just plain old folders, to make the cover shape. So that's this one. Then another image from the Starry Sky kit. This one's called Invisible Connection. I was just so excited about how these covers turned out that I wanted you to see them. I did press them overnight under heavy books with paper towels between them. Helps them dry faster, I think. This is One Dream, and this is not from the Under a Starry Sky kit. It's from the Wild Forest Journal Kit by LenArteStudio. So I'm making a series of 4 dream journals that will be in my Etsy shop when I get them done. But I thought if you were interested and crafty, you might want to do something similar. It's not very complicated, and they are turning out beautiful. Thanks for listening.